We'll guide you through how to make a multicolored gradient oval in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to create smooth and visually appealing gradients inside shapes using Krita. Open Krita on your computer and begin by preparing a new workspace for your design. Click File on the top menu, then choose New to create a new document. Set your canvas size according to your needs and click Create to confirm. Next, select the Ellipse tool from the toolbar and click and drag on the canvas to draw an oval shape. After drawing, go to the Layers docker on the right side and make sure your oval is placed on its own layer. Select the layer that contains the oval to ensure all edits apply correctly. Then go to the top menu, click Select, and choose Select Opaque to select the visible area of the oval. You will now see a selection outline around the oval, indicating the active area. Select the Gradient tool from the toolbar and look at the Tool Options docker for its settings. Find the Shape option inside Tool Options and change it to Radial to create an oval-style gradient. Locate the Gradient dropdown in Tool Options and click it to choose a default gradient preset. Then click the Edit Gradient Settings button next to it to open the Gradient Editor. In the Gradient Editor, click below the bar to add new color stops and select each stop to assign different colors. Use the Advanced Color Selector docker to pick colors visually, or use the Color Sliders docker to adjust exact HSV or RGB values. Move the color stops left or right to control blending positions and transitions. Click OK to confirm your gradient setup. Click and drag inside the oval selection on the canvas to apply the gradient within the selected area. Drag again in different directions if needed to refine the gradient appearance. Finally, go to Select and choose Deselect to remove the selection. Then go to File and click Export to save your final image. Make sure to review the final result on your canvas before exporting, checking that the gradient blends smoothly and colors appear balanced.